drive your car to the city, you've got two sounds of C. When the cow is sipping cider, you've got two sounds of C. The hard C sound is the K you hear in Cape and Crunch when a hero's near. The soft C sound is S, it's true, like you hear in ice and cymbals too. When a crab loves candy corn, you hear the K sound of C. When centaurs have a race, you hear the S sound of C. Check out the C's in cereal and cup, a great big cookie you eat right up. Even the bicycle you ride has two C sounds right there inside. Bicycle, correct. In cat and circle and cake, they're certainly common as can be. You can read about circus clowns when you know about those two sounds of C. K and S.